welcome to this tutorial. I will be teaching about playing Kahoot on Zoom. During this time of quarantine, a game-based learning platform such as this would come in handy to observe social distance in all setup. This Kahoot is a user-generated quiz in multiple choice and a few more, which can be accessed via browser or the Kahoot app on your mobile phones. To start with, we are going to make a Kahoot quiz via kahoot.com. Okay, so this is how it would look like the first time you see its website, and as soon as you log in, it will show up something like this. This is how it looks like. But as for me, I have already created my own quizzes before, so for demonstration I will show you how to create a Kahoot in this website. Okay, to start with, let's go to the top right corner of this page, which shows create button. Okay, for this button it will show this portion. We are going to choose this one because we are going to have a quiz, and this is how and where we are going to make those questions. So let's create, and then this will show up. Now there's already a template that will show you to click here to start typing a question, right? Okay, you can see. Now, for example, what is your name? That is the question. Now you can choose for the time limit here. If you click that, you can see options. From this point here, you can choose from the time limit from 5 to 240 seconds according to your wish. Now, for the answer options, you can go for single select, which means players can only select one of the answers, and multi-select, players can select multiple answers before submitting. Now, this feature is not available if you do not avail the K Pro or Kahoot Pro version of this, which is a paid version. These are tabs where you can type the options or the choices to choose from. Okay, bow, towel. These are just for example purposes. Now, if you are finished making the multiple choice, you have to click on the correct answer. Okay, now if you're done, okay, so you're going to make another question. Where do you live? And so on. So you're going to alter the time limit, choose for the answers, put in the answers here that the player can choose from. You can continue to add more questions and add more questions, or you can have it done directly to save it. However, it will not save the questions unless you declare the correct answer and the multiple choices. Okay, so it will give you a notification on what's missing, so keep watching it. Okay, for this case, 2 answers missing, correct answer not selected, so you will be warned before you can save it. Now next, okay, this is my own family quiz that I played the last time. I will open this. This is a family quiz just to show you an example. Okay, so in this quiz I have made 100 questions. You can only imagine the effort I had to put in to finish this off. Now, to play this game, you have to click on that play and click on host. Now, for you to be able to access this game, you click on classic, and then it will provide you the pin on how you can access that. So for this annoying sound, you can click on the tab, right click on that tab, and mute site. Join at www.kahoot.it or with the Kahoot app with this game pin. So now we're going to log into kahoot.it. Now it will require you to enter this pin, and this is how it looks like. You can use a mobile phone, you can use a desktop, or whatever device you have, as long as you can access the internet and all the tabs. Now, you're going to enter that pin and enter. Now it will require you to put a nickname, so whatever you like. T, for instance. Now, okay, go. Checking on your name, you're in, and it will show here. There's already one player, and that is you. Now, the more the player that signs in, the more players will show. For this version of Kahoot, this is up to 50 players, but for the free trial version, there are only 10 players allowed. Now, don't be surprised. I'm giving you a heads up for that note. Okay, now you're in, so by the time this starts, okay, it will show something like that. Ta-da! And then all you can see are the multiple choices, but you will not be able to see the questions. So until the time is up, it has not continued, but it will show up. It will show up if you have made the correct answer, or if you have not made the correct answer. Now for this case, okay, it will show that no one made it correctly. Now, in conducting this game in Zoom, now let's assume this is your Zoom. So all you have to do is just share the screen with whoever will play the game. So all you have to do is to show this screen for the questions, okay? I have to put it here. Okay, so let's proceed to next so they can see the questions. Okay, now they're going to see that question, and then they will answer here, like that. I don't know if it's correct. Okay, now it will show up like this, and again it will show this one. After that, the scoreboard will also appear with who got the most of the scores according to ranking. So this is only limited to 5, which means that the ranking would be very exciting. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Let us all continue to advance in technology as this pandemic continues to persist.